Hey guys, welcome to the channel Luxury Lifestyle, and let me ask you a few questions. Do you want to travel anywhere you wish with your beloved ones? Do you want to pursue anything you are passionate about? Do you want to have a huge budget to purchase almost anything you love? Do you want to enjoy this fantastic life? If your answer is yes, then you should get TikTok money. Now I will go through all this. What is TikTok money? Why is TikTok money? First of all, let's take this question. It might be coming in your mind. Who made TikTok money? Who is after this TikTok money? Now, TikTok money is basically from the desk of Guava Maker. Now, what is Guava Maker? Guava Maker is basically a digital marketing agency which specializes in SEO, social media, paid media, content marketing, email marketing, digital marketing, and many more. It is a basically digital marketing agency. Now, since 2015, they have been providing digital marketing consulting for over 3,000 clients and helping them sustainably grow and yield continuously increasing profits. And now they have brought this software called TikTok Money, which is a guide which will tell you how to make insanely amount of profits and get clients again and again on your business through TikTok. Now, currently they are working with 200 customers to help them constantly increase the influencers on TikTok with TikTok Money. You can see I reached out to them and asked for testimonial. They gave me this screenshot like 000, and again instantly they are $300. If you don't know which screenshot is that, this screenshot is of ClickBank, which I will talk about in a bit. Now you will ask the question, what the hell is TikTok Money? Now, TikTok Money is the superior comprehensive guide that shows you the step-by-step process to follow and turn your TikTok business into a cash cow, which means it will generate you money again and again, passive income again and again, so you can travel the world and then also earn money. Here's a sneak peek at the course that will show you how to earn $5,000 within a month with TikTok effortlessly. Now let's go to module 1. It has total 6 module. Module 1, overview of this guide. A brief introduction that helps you understand TikTok to its core, such as how this platform works, how you use it to develop a stable income stream. Now let me show you some amazing thing. This is TikTok, this is SimilarWeb, and TikTok is getting over 1 billion visitors per month, and mostly visitors are from tier 1 countries like United States, Russia, Canada. Tier 1 countries make the countries which have the most amount of traffic, and then they can spend most money. And if they spend most money on your products, you will get obviously most, you will get more amount of sales and eventually generate more money. Now TikTok gets more than a billion of visitors, so it is a huge social media platform. Basically it is a search engine where people come and write hashtags and things they want to go, and they view 5 to 10-second videos. But some entrepreneurs and some weird digital marketers are using TikTok to generate money, and they are earning well over $30,000 per month without any effort using TikTok. So this guide will tell you how to earn money with TikTok, the secret strategies and something like that. As I showed you, TikTok is a huge marketplace as there are 1 billion visitors per month, which means 12 billion visitors per year, and that's a lot. It's a huge marketplace, and the most important thing, it's a social media. Now if you start earning money or you start growing your following on social media, it will not stop. If whether it is Instagram, Facebook, Reddit, LinkedIn, TikTok, or any other social media, it will not stop, because social media is all about people, and if the people are with you, they trust you, they are going to buy your product effective, and you will generate money effectively and consistently. This guide will tell you how to make a passive income with TikTok. Now, module 2, account creation, TikTok and grow. They will answer your questions like which niche should you choose. Niche means type of products, like if you want to promote sports product like football courses, footballs, so you will take that niche, sports and fitness niche. If you want to promote health and fitness product which work very well on TikTok, then you should take products like some courses, some diet courses, some ebooks like and that. and I will tell you where to get them. Now, they will also answer the how to manage your TikTok accounts and so many challenges to go through. Develop a TikTok account with numerous followers. They will help you in this module too. They will help you to create how to create. They will tell you how to create a professional TikTok account to earn more money. Now, in this session, they will provide detailed instructions on how to overcome all these issues and boost your TikTok account with followers, with engagement, and with leads in no time. Now, module number three, how to choose an offer in ClickBank. Now, those who do not know what is ClickBank, ClickBank is the world's largest affiliate marketplace. Affiliate marketplace means there are more than 1,000 products which you can promote. You don't need any approval. You just click on button, you get your click, and when you share the click on internet, and when someone buys the product through your link on the internet, boom, you get paid. So that's this module is called affiliate marketing, and this TikTok money software, this TikTok money guide works on affiliate marketing and TikTok only. And now there are over 1,000 products in every niche, and there are more than 12 niches in ClickBank. So they will tell you how to pick the best offer in your niche if you are a complete beginner also. Now, stop running around for worthless products and concentrate on promoting the high quality ones. Here they will show you how to pick fantastic deals that brings lot of value to your customers, and of course loads of commissions too. Now, module number 4, how to create a free email collection site. Now, what is email collection site? What is email collection? Now, you might have heard, if you are in marketing, you might have heard of the term email marketing. This TikTok money also uses email marketing. Now, what is email marketing? Email marketing is building landing pages. Like you will not understand. I will tell you some practical. Like if you shared, take an example that if you shared a video on TikTok telling that you will give a free ebook, telling that you will give a free ebook to every person who clicks on the link, and when they will watch the video, take an example that you are giving them earn money online or saving ebook for free, then they will, if a person is interested in it, they will click on your link and they will go to which is called a landing page or a bridge page, which means TikTok bans affiliate links. They don't like ClickBank links. You will get banned if you directly share a link. You can make a landing page and collect emails. Now, there will be written get your ebook here by filling the details below, and the details will be first name and email, and when they will fill their first name and email. So the main thing is that you tell them that I have an ebook which I will be giving you for free if you click on this link. They will, if the interested people will click on this link, they will go to a landing page. There will be written get this health book or make money online book or whatever ebook for free by filling the details below. Now the details will be first name and email, which the people will fill their first name and email and click on enter, or you can customize the name of the button, and when they will click on it, they will be redirect either to thank you page or to another offer. Like another offer means like but there will be written that it will be emailed to you, your ebook will be emailed to you within 1 minute, which will be automated email will be in your inbox within 1 minute, and basically, and you can put a video there on if you are from, but you can write there, but I have an offer for you which will make you thousands of dollars and make a passive income, and you can promote different ClickBank products on the same niche on in your niche on the same landing page, and this way you can earn more money. Then the ebook will be sent to them, they will get the offer, and you will get an email. So you can email your email list by that. So if you want to know more about building an email list by making landing pages, wait a minute, I am making a course. I have made the course half, in which I will be telling you how to make professional landing pages and email automation software within 3 to 5 minutes and promote. The landing pages will be high converting, so if you want that, you can comment down below that I want this, I want that. So you will be not entering your email there. You will get access to it for free. For free. So let's not get into it. I have explained you in detail what is email collection site. So have you been struggling to collect the visitors, email or engage with them to sell products? This is a question for affiliate marketers. Then you have to follow this module and you can discover the powerful love spells. Once you use them, you can effortlessly grip your audience attention and turn them into your loyal customers, which means they will buy more and more products on you. Every product, either on ClickBank, either on Warrior Plus, every product has a upsell. Upsell means that they have more product. Like if you buy an ebook, normal ebook for $5, then when you will buy the ebook after checkout, there will be written, great, you have purchased the ebook, but we want you to take a look at there. So there will be a video which will be telling you that but you can purchase this video course also, and then you will, if you like it, you will again purchase that video course. So basically it's a upsell. So it will have many upsells, so you can earn more potentially than that written on the ClickBank sale. So let's not get more into that. Now, module 5, which is the most important, how to grow your account. Many people have the most problem here, how to grow your account, that you have the overview of the method, how will this method work. You have created your professional TikTok account, you have chose a best offer on ClickBank, you have made a free email collection site. Now, how to grow your account. Now, you have built a stable foundation for your business. It is time to speed up to developing process. Here, they will, pay attention out here, they will equip with you the pro campaigns that enhance your business and reach a larger audience. They will equip you, not you, they will. And now module number 6 is make more money. Inside this module, they will reveal the never seen before strategies and methods that surely help you rake in over $5,000 a month without breaking a sweat, which means effortlessly. Now strategies means how to make 5 to 10 seconds video to encourage people to click on the links and more. Now, with these secrets in your arsenal, you can set up a strong and consistent income stream that brings you money like this. And let's watch this video. Basically, they have also sent me the video. Newbie cash system. And yes, this is the dashboard of a person using this. He has generated $46,000 using TikTok. It is possible, you can do it, but it will not happen overnight. Like you purchase today and you will get $46,000 magically. It will not happen. It will take a little bit of time, like a month or two. But you can generate this easily with this TikTok money software. You can do it part-time or full-time. Now, pros of TikTok money. Many YouTubers will just tell you the review, and they will finish their job, tell you that click my link, purchase the product and whatever. But I will tell you the pros and cons of TikTok money. Then you will decide whether to buy it or not. So let's start. First, it teaches you to make money on TikTok. Like I said, TikTok is a huge marketplace, over 1 billion visitors. So there will be more than 300 million people in your niche who will be interested in your product, in your ebook, in your service, who will buy it. You just have to reach them. Now, it makes you successful on TikTok, making a long-term income stream. Now, if you post a video on TikTok and you have a great following, it will increase views, it will increase your engagement, and it will keep ranking, and you will keep earning money with that after 1 month also, 1 year also, and much more. It tells you how to make money on TikTok with free traffic. It will not tell you to run Facebook ads, Google ads, Quora ads, Twitter ads, TikTok ads. Just free traffic means you can just earn money by making 5 to 10 second videos. Wow. Now it will also teach you build a $5,000 monthly income within 1 month. It is very cheap. It is $47. But if you buy with my link, then only $10 once. Only $10 once. I would definitely buy this product, but I have a downside that I live in India and TikTok is banned in my country, so I cannot generate money. But you have the opportunity. You can generate money. So click the link in description to get this $37 discount, and you have to pay only $10 once. And if you go to the sales page of their this TikTok money, here it is written. This is with my affiliate link. Here it is written $197 per month. But if you will buy through my link, you will get only $10 once. And again, pro, I have not seen a 365 days money back guarantee on any product. Yes, you have listened and seen right. It has a 365 days money back guarantee. And another pro, it can be used to do freelancing, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, drop shipping, Amazon FBA, online mentorship. My page has finished, but not my list. Entrepreneurship, digital marketing, influencer, Instagram influencers, and much more businesses. Means TikTok is a very great marketplace and can be used to sell products, services, influencership, entrepreneurship, and many more. So it can be not be used. Like if you are affiliate marketer, then only it will use. You are a freelancer, you will not. No, you can do it with any profession. You can do it part time or full time. Now, cons of TikTok money. It doesn't have any proof that this money is made by using TikTok money. Like I showed you this video where this person made $46,000, but there is no proof that he made with this software. Yes, and if you also go to their sales page by using my link, here it is written the person is getting $9,212 in his PayPal, but there is no proof. And again, here no proof, no proof, and no proof. Only, but this is not the problem because only a very few, 10 out of 1, 1 out of 10 has proof, like online courses like John Pistani course and Wesley Version course. These courses have testimonials of video testimonials from people. This many products don't have that. Like Phoenix doesn't have any proof that these incomes have been made by a person. But when you will purchase it, it is a very powerful affiliate marketing course. It will just cost you $17. You can take it by anywhere. So this is not a main con, but yes, it is a con. So let's scroll down. What are you waiting for? Only $10 if you buy with my link. So click the link on description to get it for just $10. And if you want my landing page course, the Ultimate Builder All course, just tell me in the comments so I can make it record for more faster. While I am thinking I will record it and complete it today only. It has been completed more than half. So please buy this product. You can check out it for just $10. And if you don't like it, they have a 365 days money back guarantee, man. You can just give them, and it doesn't have any upsells. Like it is fully it is $10. You do not have to do anything. It is just $10. So this is an opportunity which many people will not tell you, and the gurus will charge thousands and thousands of dollars for this, which you are getting for just $10. So don't miss the opportunity. I would also buy this, but unfortunately I cannot. So just buy this course. I have given you my opinions of cons of TikTok money and pros of TikTok money. And with my opinion, you should buy because it has only just one con and so many pros. So thank you for watching. Click the link in description below to buy it just for $10, and thank you.